For our ribeye steak today, we will simply cut this chunk into about 1.5 inch thick pieces. So from this, we should be able to get about 3 thick pieces and a little bit left over. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. So we'll place it in a Ziploc bag, then we'll start making our wet seasoning for these steaks. So for our wet rub, we use some chopped basil, some cilantro, a few cloves of garlic, about 6, and the juice of half of a lemon. So we just add everything in and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper over it. Once that's done, we can add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now this will add some liquid to this whole mixture and keep our steak moist and nice. So we'll start blending it. Once it becomes a nice smooth consistency, we can stop it. Look how beautiful this is. Then we get our steak, open our Ziploc bag, and we pour our wet rub over our steak. So make sure you get it all over the steak. So we simply seal our Ziploc bag, give it a good mix, make sure the seasoning covers our entire steak, front and back. Then we open a small opening, release all the air, and then we seal this again. And we can keep this in the fridge for about 1.5 hours. If you have time, the longer the better. Now we heat a skillet and add some oil. Then we can place our steak on the pan. So we want to allow the steak to sear on one side for 5 minutes. So don't move your steak. You'll be tempted to, but don't move it. And once it caramelizes on one side, then we can flip it after 5 minutes. Once we flip it, we can add 2 cubes of butter and allow the other side to sear for 5 more minutes. And depending on whether you like it well done or medium rare, then you can cook it accordingly. Then we can remove everything. We have it done medium rare for this, and look how beautiful this looks. So let's cut into it and give this a try. As you can see, the inside is medium rare. It's looking beautiful. So let's cut this and give this a try. Look at how juicy this is. It's nice and moist. Now let's give this a try. Nice and tender. Perfect. Let's try this again. Very, very good. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and make sure you check our previous steak videos. Bye now.